Alright, here's the time to garden center 620. And we're going to ride some elevators in the Chicago Riverwalk in Chicago, Illinois. Right, this is the Riverwalk?
Aon Center.
Oh, Aon Center.
These are cool, I like this.
Why are we going to Lord? Why are we going to
LP? That one doesn't work.
These are the West
it's locked. I see. So yeah,
The other
this is actually the Aon Center.
Take a look at that. These are holeless.
Oh wow.
What? Holeless like
Dude, the freaking ceiling is funny. Let's look up, going up.
Oh yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. You can see the selector tape.
Oh wow.
Yeah, oh wow.
Yeah, it's holeless.
It says Otis, yeah.
Oh yeah.
These are, guess what company these were originally? What is it? Esco.
Oh, that's right, they were.
Yeah, there are car controls up there.
East elevator.
But now we're going to go to the east. And it's already on this floor. It knew we were coming. This one though does not access the lower level.
Yeah. Yeah, this is holeless. See, you can see, look at the piston.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's holeless.
It is holeless.
Is that why it's called holeless?
I was also talking, yeah.
Oh wow. Does the other one not talk?
I don't think so.
This one does.
Yeah, this one. Now I'm gonna go to the upper plaza.
Yeah, the other one goes down
And from this one going up.
Yeah, there's your Otis inspection station.
Oh yeah.
Upper
The
Plaza.
buttons are so, like, you have to
Here are the
push them down
fixtures.
so much. They're so
Yep.
fussy.
And there's
The indicator, fixtures, and phone.
Let's send this down so you can get a view of the top. Because you'll see that.
Alright,
stuff.
let's
Yeah,
get another
let's
ride.
do it. Alright,
Sorry.
cool.
What?
You want to send this down to you? Yeah. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
get a view of the Esco plate. You'll see it. Oh, nice.
Alright, let's do it. Now we're gonna send this one down.
Watch.
Oh wow.
Wait, where's it say? Crap, Esco, see?
Oh yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah. Esco.
So it used to be an Esco before it was Otis.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's...
Alright, you guys want to head over to do cost and feel that?
Yep.
Yeah, alright, let's do it. So hope you enjoyed this video, these elevators, and that's it.